Welcome to day 2 of Learning from Home Support with Miss Savedra. I'm Miss Savedra. Um, Yesterday we went over the beginning of Unit 6, Hidden Truths, and we talked about the essential question, we reviewed academic vocabulary, and we discussed some of the reading skills. Today we are going to discuss some new vocabulary embedded in the text storytelling, which you had to read yesterday, to notice and note for, and the check for understanding on page 429. Today, you are being asked to reread and to do the analyze the text on page 430. You're also being asked to do a speech in regards to the topic of storytelling. So let's get into today's lesson. In this text, you were given 7 critical vocabulary words. The first one being universal, something that affects every member of a group. Invariably, something that happens or occurs again and again or constantly. Nurture, to provide love, affection, nourishment, something necessary for the development. Adversity, which means misfortune or hardship. Integral, something necessary or essential for completeness. Trance, to be in a state of daydreaming or in a daze. Chastise, to punish or criticize. Remember that as you are rereading today and preparing for the analyze the text, that you do the notice and note, because that's what's going to help guide you when you are answering the notice and note questions 1, 3, and 4. And as your last part of your assignment is to write a speech in which you are explaining the importance of storytelling, and you are tasked to use evidence from this text to support your thinking or your ideas. Think about what the author has explicitly said. That means what directly is stated in the text, and then think about what was implied that wasn't necessarily given to you. You had to infer as you were reading along. So you can do it in a Google document and share it with me or your teacher so that we can provide feedback and you can check on it tomorrow. Have a great day. Remember, wash your hands. Don't touch your eyes, nose, or mouth.